think you mentioned it. I didn't realise it was that. There's someone looking at me. I was go to bed. Do you want a light switch? I said, go to bed. So he said, sure. He said, light switch. He's got two eyes, John. Look at that switch. Got two eyes. There's no in it. I thought you could get me. I went, oh,
to all the people watching Facebook, don't say goodnight to Lucas.
Nathan.
Go to bed.
Why don't you go to bed?
Go to bed.
Night-night.
The light switch. Oh, sorry.
Night-night, light switch.
Hey, excuse me. I'm not going to be responsible for this fucking shit. This is absolutely sad.
Let's have a look at the
I'm not going
berry.
to be responsible. I'm not going to be responsible for this crap.
Ooh, that.
It is crap, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It is crap.
It's crap.
Are you just going to have an orgy on the floor?
I'm a beautiful lady. Long ago.
You're my lady.
And huge breath. I can go fast or slow.
No.
You got a white brow.
I tell you what. I tell you what. Long blonde hair. Amy.
Kush my house,
I know you haven't got a white brow.
Kush my house, you got white brow.
I haven't had my nipples like that.
What nipple?
You're right.
You like to have any?
I don't have nipples.
What are you doing?
I do.
I don't have white.
The red one for you,
I don't
the
think I
dark
have.
one for her.
That one's me.
Kush my house.
That's me.
Oh, don't
Right, I think everyone's supposed to bed.
Excuse me. Wait.
No, don't leave her. No, leave her.
Everyone, it's now 3 o'clock.
You're hurting me, man.
Shit, right, I'm going to bed.
Don't hurt me.
Working 9 to 5. Louise.
Working 9 to 5.
Wait.
That's it.
I'm not
Louise.
calling you.
Louise.
Welcome
This is Amy.
Baby,
This is Michaela's.
But
And
never,
this is
don't,
Tom.
Don't injure.
And that's Tom.
No, don't injure. Don't injure.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.